In this episode, we're continuing on with my diabetic journey. So if you're interested in finding out what happened today, you know what to do. Stick around. Day, was this 4? Day 4 of my diabetic journey. Yes, I'm tired. My crazy behind, excuse that noise. My crazy behind decided to watch this movie last night and stayed up till what, almost 1 in the morning? Yeah, that was me. But I'm up and I'm doing a simple breakfast so I can get out here and get walking this morning. It is 8:15, so let me show you what I'm eating. Again, we're doing the boiled eggs. That's all I'm eating this morning with a glass of apple juice. So I will see you when I start walking. Okay, everybody, here I go. I'm starting to walk. I am a little late than yesterday, but your girl is out here. It's pretty nice out here today, too. I washed my hair the other day and put it in twists. I think I'm going to take it down today and spray it and twist it back up. Oh, while I'm thinking about it, I need you guys' opinion. I need for y'all to go on my channel and look at my banner. I put up a new banner because I wasn't feeling the other one that much. You guys take a look at my banner and tell me what you think about my banner. I'm working on it. You know how you work on something until it feels right? Well, I had a semi-feel with that banner. I really didn't like it, the other one. So I made this one. And I'm feeling a little bit better with this one. But my picture, I didn't get a full shot like I should have. So I'm going to have to do that makeup look again and do a full shot. Because I just don't want the shoulder, top of the shoulder and the head. I want a full shot on the picture. I think that looks a little better. But let me know what y'all think. A head shot, shoulder shot, the full upper torso. Which one do you like seeing on people's channels, on their banners? I started carrying me a little stick with me. Noticed a little dog the other day. And too much don't like dogs, so the stick is for the dogs. But yesterday I almost walked a mile. So my plan is to try to hit that mile marker today. That's my plan. I keep hearing something behind me. I don't know if that's my imagination. But I keep hearing something. It's about, I want to say 86 right now. I want to get this walk in before it gets to that 90 expert, to that 100. Because yesterday it was 110. And I don't want to be out here when it's that hot. So I'm almost to the first day marker. And when I get there, get off the camera and I will pick you up when I make it home. Okay, y'all. I just made it back to the house. I picked up my pace today, walked a little faster, and I walked a little farther. So when I get in, I'll look at the app and see how many steps and how far I went today. And I'll share that with you. What I've learned about myself since I've started this journey is that I'm pushing through. Even though I get little aches when I start and when I finish, I'm tired because trust, I haven't did walking in years. Um, like I said on the video, I think it was yesterday's vlog, where where I stated that um, I watched. I don't know if you guys remember when Star Jones was on The View, and she said that the type of man that she wanted to be with, that she wanted to marry, had the abs and all that stuff. You know the type of man that you are attracted to. But if you don't match the picture, so back before I met my husband, I went on this get healthy thing. My daughter went with me, so which made it fun and hard and got me to going. I would get up every morning about 7:30, 8 o'clock. I would fix me breakfast, take my meds, and for blood pressure, and I would get up and eat, and I would wait at least 20 minutes prior to cooking and eating to make sure that my medications were in my system. Then I would get up and I would leave the townhouse we lived in. I would walk from there up the street to the walking park, and I would walk around that whole park, and I would walk home. Well, my legs would be doing that tingly thing, from walking, and I pushed myself to pick up my pace. So doing all of that, like I said, I lost down to dress size from an 18 to like when I finished doing all that workout and everything and got to my ideal weight, and I changed my eating habits. I dropped down to, I was really surprised at myself. I had got down to a 910. That was the smallest I got during that time. I found a pair of capris the other day, and that's what made me remember the correct size. I got down to a 910, and I was really proud of myself because I pushed myself and I changed my diet, and I kept up the walking of the 3 miles to get down to a nice size. And it was a joy going shopping for new outfits and things because I was smaller, and I was happy about that. And I'm gonna put up a picture. I'm gonna put up these two pictures to show you guys. It was this red dress that I was in love with. This red dress, okay. Now I'm gonna show you the dress before I lost weight, and show me wearing the same dress after I lost weight. And I had not realized the difference until I put on that dress. So I'm saying all that to say this: stress and everything that life has been lifing with me, I've gained a lot of weight. A lot of weight is mainly in the midsection, and that's due to stress and also menopause. And also to when I get stressed and I'm under a lot of anxiety, I have a lot of anxiety, I eat chocolate for a meal. Trust, when I say I'm eating chocolate, I'm eating chocolate. And so I had to find different ways to deal with that and not eating milk chocolate with toffee and almonds. I need to eat, I try to keep a stash of fruit in the house. So when I get to that point, then I go get me some fruit or try to curve it. And at one point, I was eating Special K cereals at night to help with, those cravings. But as I got to reading Special K, there's a lot of sugar in it, and I didn't want all that sugar. So I had to find different ways. Eating fruit, drinking more water, trying to keep my stomach full, where when those cravings hit, I kind of figured out why the cravings are hitting. So I'm trying to figure out another way to deal with it. But besides the point. But what I'm trying to do is get myself back down to a smaller size. I have never been this big in my life. In my life, have I ever been this big? And I want to get down to a reasonable size. If I can get down, I'll even take a 13, 14, and I'll be happy with that. I just want to get a lot of this weight off of me, and where when I go up the stairs here in my house, that I'm not almost out of breath going up the stairs. I want to be able to walk around and the mall and things like that and not get tired trying to get to where I'm going. I want to be able to do what I want to do. And all of this too, when we start traveling, I want to be able to travel in comfort and not be self conscious about what I wear. I want to be happy with the way I look. And right now, Stephanie's not already happy with all of this. Now, I have vitiligo, as you know, and it causes issues, and I'm dealing with that now. I found a product I think that seems to be working. At least it's not going to stop the white spots that you see one coming here. I see a big spot finna come here and here. It's not going to stop that, but I wanted to stop the darkness. See the dark? Ooh, I have a dark spot here. I'm trying to deal with that, and it's a dark spot here, and one here. I'm trying to deal with those dark spots to try to give myself an even tone. Even though I'm going to have the light blotches on my face, I still want. I don't want to have to deal with light and dark blotches. I just want to deal with one. If you get what I'm saying. Vitiligo can be a hard thing to deal with, and you have to understand it and know yourself when you're dealing with it. And you know there's certain things that you're going to have to adapt to doing. So I'm happy that I'm taking this journey, and I'm learning more about Stephanie and these journeys because I haven't stopped yet. Even though it's day 3, I think day 3 or day 4, I'm still going. I am not giving up. This is day 3. Not giving up. I'm going to continue. Even though last night I was up late as a dummy, but tonight I'm going to get me a decent night's sleep. So when I get up in the morning at 7:30, I can bounce up and get to moving because I really want to keep this weight journey going on, this healthy journey, because when I see my granddaughters, I probably see them this year. Hopefully this year for Christmas we might see them. They're in California. So if I can see them this year, I want them to notice the difference in me. I want them to see that I have lost weight, that I'm a healthier person. And I want to be here to see them finish high school and go off to college. And if I, God bless, see them have children. I want to see my daughter get married. Even though she says she don't want to get married, I got a feeling deep down she does. But we'll see. I'm not pushing her. But if she wants to remain single and still date, then that's her. I love her from the top of her head to the bottom of her feet. And she said her daughter, Sugar, this dog she has. But anyway, I just I'm really liking what I'm doing at the walking, and it's giving me a little bit more energy. And I came up the stairs today up here, and it wasn't a. It was more easy to come up here. I came right in and got on the camera. I didn't have to take me a 15-minute break before I got on camera. I was able to jump on camera coming up the stairs. So that's a major accomplishment. And I just think I'm going to add a little bit more. Next week I'm going to add I'm going to attempt to add an exercise along with this. And so I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna try to film a bit of the exercise for you. So don't laugh when you see me working out. So I'll see you
in tomorrow's vlog. Bye.
If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below and you'll be blessed.